Hello, in today's video I will show you how to control emotion and pacing with text tags. After we open our app, we need to go to text to speech, and here you need to paste your script, and then you need to use these special brackets and then choose one of the common supported tags for basic emotion, which is just emotion tags, and you need to write them in these brackets. And as you can see, I have excited, laughs, short pause and long pause, because short pause and long pause is for pacing control, and I will show you just in a moment after I press generate. But you need to remember to choose this model, the first one, 11v3, because on the other two it just won't work. So after we hit apply and we have our script ready, I won't change the voice, but if you want to change the voice, you just need to go to the voices and choose the voice. It's all in English, and then after I press generate, it should generate in a few minutes, and now we can hear it.
Yes, we finally did it. It was impossible. I thought you knew. Wait, you didn't? Okay, let's start over.
And this is how you can control the emotion and pacing with text tags. Thank you for watching. That's all for today's video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.